Why do we, who have the oracles of God, treat God as an idea to affirm rather than a relational being to encounter? Think about how Genesis begins, not with a philosophical argument, not with a doctrinal summary, but with a God who moves, speaks, forms, and blesses. Let us make mankind in our image. We're dropped straight into a relational world. The God of Scripture is not solitary. He is triune, Father, Son, Spirit, a communion of love, a divine family of Elohim, the spiritual sons of God. This is profound. Reality, at its core, is relational. We weren't made just to master concepts. We were made to participate in the relational life with God. This is not a metaphor. It's the architecture of reality.